Good morning. It's Diane, Love to Give. Back again today with another little book shot that I'd like to share. This book is by James Patterson, and it's called Courtroom. And let me read a little bit to you. I'm not on trial. San Francisco is. An accused murderer called Kingfisher is about to go on trial for his life. Or is he? By unleashing unexpected violence on the lawyers, jurors, and police involved in the case. He has paralyzed the city. Detective Lindsay Boxer and the Women's Murder Club are caught in the eye of the storm. Buckle up for a courtroom shocker you'll never see coming. Now, these are book shots, like I told you before. They're lightning fast stories by James Patterson. They're novels that you can devour in a few hours. Impossible to stop reading. And all original content by James Patterson. Now, this little book can be purchased at Amazon.com for $4.99, or you can use the link below. Also, I'd like for you to leave a comment and let me know what you think about this little book. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel today. Also, hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time that I come back. All right, have a good day, have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time.